Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be doing about डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. देखिए, डायरेक्ट में चीज़ों को हम डायरेक्टली बोल देते हैं और इनडायरेक्ट में हम उसी सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट को आगे रख के और सब्जेक्ट को उसके पीछे करके हम इस तरीके से डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट करते हैं. सो लेट्स जस्ट बिगिन विद दिस डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and it comes in your all competitive examination. So let's just begin with the title of our chapter is direct and of course indirect speech, right? You just work in pairs and write the following sentence into the indirect. जैसे कि father said I go to office. पापा बोल रहे हैं कि I'll go to office. मैं ऑफिस जाऊंगा. Now आप इसका रिवर्स कर दीजिए. बिल्कुल. Father said I go to office. अब I'll just explain you that how you have to reverse. First we just understand it and then we definitely will come on this. देखिए, read and understand. Now Rohit says that Shivi sings sweetly. शिवी बहुत अच्छे से गाती है. रोहित सेज दैट शिवी सिंग्स स्वीटली. अब आप देखिए, इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स को हटा के दैट लगा दिया. इसी तरीके से हम क्या लिखेंगे, फादर सेड दैट आई गो टू ऑफिस. इस तरीके से लिखिए आप. माई फादर सेड दैट प्रिया इज राइटिंग नीटली. नाउ माई फादर सेड दैट प्रिया वॉज राइटिंग नीटली. अब आप देखिए, इसका क्या हो गया, वॉज हो गया, तो गो का वेंट हो जाएगा. फादर सेड दैट आई वेंट टू द ऑफिस, राइट. In sentence first and third, we have the exact words हैं, which is words speak by the speaker, and this is called direct speech. जिसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, direct. And in second and fourth, we have not the exact word of the speaker, but only what has been said by the speaker, and this has been the indirect speech. उसको क्या बोलेंगे, indirect. So thus we can say when the exact words used by the speakers, जब भी exact word speaker उसको use करता है, they are reproduced within inverted commas, and इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, it is called the direct speech. When the sentence of the speech is conveyed to the reporter words, means reporter के words में third form में आ जाता है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, indirect speech. Now there is a fact file. The exact word used by the speaker, they are जो exact word use होते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, reported speech. The verb that introduce the reported speech इसको हम reporting verb बोलते हैं. There is no comma after said in the indirect speech में कोई commas नहीं लगते हैं. Reported speech is introduced in the conjunction that. I told you this thing. Verb in the reported speech, it remains unchanged. Now, what are the rules for changing from direct to indirect? First is you have to change in the verb, right? If the reporting verb is in the present and of course in future sentence, then the reported speech जो होगी, it is not change, कभी change नहीं होगी. जैसे डायरेक्ट, काकू says that अंशु is a good girl. अंशु एक good girl है. इनडायरेक्ट में काकू says that अंशु is a good girl. उसी तरीके से जैसे आपने सबसे पहले सेंटेंस देखा है. If the reporting verb it is in past tense, then the verb in the reported speech it is also changed. वो भी change हो जाएगी. Past tense in the following ways. जैसे simple present जो होगा it will become simple past. जैसे कि भारती said that नेहा plays with बारबी डॉल. इनडायरेक्ट में भारती सेज दैट नेहा प्लेड विद बारबी डॉल. अब आप देखिए, इन्होंने रिवर्स कर दिया. भारती सेड, इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स को हटा के दैट, नेहा प्लेस का प्लेड हो गया, पास्ट में चला गया, राइट. नाउ द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस चेंजेस इनटू द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, राइट. डायरेक्ट में शिवी सेड दैट कंचन इज रीडिंग, एंड इनडायरेक्ट में शिवी सेड दैट कंचन वाज रीडिंग. नाउ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट चेंजेस इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. नाउ Vanshu said that Deepu has completed his work. Now indirect में Vanshu said that Deepu had completed his work. देखिए, has का had inverted commas को हटा के that. Now simple past changes into past perfect में, right? My mother said that Preeti just returned very late. बहुत late आई है. Indirect में my mother said that Preeti had returned very late, right? Now past continuous changes into the past perfect continuous. Now direct sentence में Raman said that the boys were playing in the sun. Indirect में Raman said that the boys had been playing in the sun. देखिए, past perfect continuous, ing है, perfect आता है तो been हो जाएगा और past का had हो जाएगा. Now will, would, shall, should and can, could, may, might, right? Rohini says that Nidhi may pass. This is indirect. Indirect में Rohit said that Nidhi might pass, right? Now direct में Kajal said that Payal will not pass. Indirect में Kajal said that Payal wouldn't pass. Will का would हो जाएगा. If the reported speech has universal truth and habitual truth, तो जो simple present होगा in the reported speech वो change नहीं होगा and it will be same. It will remain the same, right? जैसे कि the teacher said that earth revolves around the sun, तो indirect में भी teacher said that the earth it moves around the sun. बस inverted commas को हटा के that लगा देना है. Now direct में mother said that honesty is the best policy. Indirect में mother said honesty is the best policy. It will remain same. fact file, you have to change in the pronoun. First person ka pronoun, it will change to the subject of the reporting verb, right? Second person will change according to the object of the reporting verb, whereas third person, it will not change, it will remain same. Now time and position कैसे होती है? this का that हो जाता है. Tonight means आज की रात, that night. These मतलब those. Okay. Yesterday means जो कल चला गया, previous day. Here का there. Tomorrow means the next day जो आएगा. Last night means the previous night. Now का then. Just का of course it's then. Ago का it's before. Come का go. And today का of course it's that day. And इतर का it's titha. Okay. Now indirect speech के questions देखिए आप. In the questions, reporting verb change into ask and required. Indirect में ask और require में change हो जाती है reporting verb. If the questions begins with the helping verb से होगा, then conjunction if or whether भी use होगा, right? And if the question begins with any question like what, why, who, when, then of course no conjunction is used. उसमें use नहीं होगा. And question marks and inverted commas जो होते हैं इन्हें हटा दिया जाता है. Examples में direct में he said to me that have you done your homework. अब indirect में inverted commas हटा देंगे. said का ask. He asked me if I have done my homework. देखिए condition आ गई है, right? डायरेक्ट में जे सेड टू मी डू यू प्ले लूडो, क्या आप लूडो खेलते हो? इनडायरेक्ट में जे आस्क मी दैट इफ आई प्ले लूडो. डायरेक्ट में ही सेड टू मी वेयर आर यू गोइंग. इनडायरेक्ट में ही आस्क मी वेयर आई वाज गोइंग. देखिए यू का आई हो गया और आर का वाज हो गया. ये क्या हो गई हमारी बी वर्ब्स. डायरेक्ट में मनु सेड दैट टू हर दैट हाउ ओल्ड आर यू. इनडायरेक्ट में मनु आस्क हर दैट हाउ ओल्ड शी वाज. डायरेक्ट में द टीचर सेड टू मी व्हाट्स योर फादर. आपके पापा क्या करते हैं? इनडायरेक्ट में द टीचर आस्क मी व्हाट योर फादर was, what my father was. Short recap: when the exact word it is used by the speaker and reproduced within inverted commas, then of course it is direct speech. And if inverted commas are not there, when the substance of the subject is basically conveyed in reporter words, then it is called the indirect, right? Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be doing the correct options, right? The exact word used by the speaker, of course they are direct speech. The verb that introduces the report speech, of course, it's the reporting verb. The verb in the reporting verb, it will remain unchanged, and the reporting speech is introduced with a conjunction that, right? So that was all about direct, indirect. Please go through it, learn all the rules, very important, and stay blessed. Thank you.